If a website on Chrome is acting strange, loading outdated content, or not showing your latest changes, clearing the cache for just that one site can often fix the problem without affecting everything else in your browser. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear cache for a single site in Google Chrome, step by step, using two different methods. This is a quick and safe way to refresh one website while leaving the rest of your browser data alone. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website whose cache you want to clear. Make sure you are on the exact site that is causing the issue, because the next steps will apply only to that website. Now look at the left side of the web address bar. Next to the site address, you'll see the site information icon, which often looks like sliders or a tune icon. Click that icon to open the site options. From the menu that appears, click Site Settings. Chrome will now open a page that shows the permissions and stored data for that specific website. On this page, scroll down until you find the option to delete data. Click Delete Data to clear the stored site files and cache for that website. Once that's done, the next step is to refresh the page, so Chrome can download fresh files from the site. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or by clicking the refresh button in your browser. After the page reloads, the website should pull in updated content instead of using the old cached files. If you want another method, there's also a second way to do this directly from the site data controls. Start again by opening the website in Google Chrome. Then click the site information icon next to the address bar, just like before. This time, instead of going straight to site settings and deleting data, click Cookies and Site Data. After that, click Manage on Device Site Data. Chrome will show you the stored data for that site, and from there you can click the trash icon to remove it. Once the data is deleted, click Done to close the window. Finally, reload the page so the browser can fetch a fresh version of the website. This second method is especially useful if you want a more direct view of the saved site data before removing it. So to recap, you can clear cache for a single site in Chrome either by opening site settings and deleting the data, or by going through cookies and site data and removing the stored information manually. Both methods are quick, safe, and perfect when only one website needs to be refreshed. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.